Hello, today we'll learn how to remove watermarks from any image for free using AI on the watermark removal website. So let's get started. First off, we'll click on Upload Image. Then Add Image. We'll click on Browse Files. We'll select the image we want to upload. Now here we have two images. The first one is watermarked and the second one, the watermark has been removed. So I'll show you how I was able to remove the watermark from the second image. So we'll go to the right hand side. There are two options, remove text and remove logo. So we plan to remove the text. Then we click on remove text. We click on start. And when we click on start, the picture starts to process. And then within a short period, we can have our picture without watermark. And you can see it's going to show us watermark removed, success. And then we can go ahead and download our picture without watermark. If you found this video helpful, you can click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.